Guys, the fire department's here. We just pulled the fire alarm. So this will be my first video for, you know, my new YouTube channel. Yep, there they are. Dumbass. We just pulled the fire alarm just as, you know, a little summer vacation prank. Now we're just chilling here. And here they come. That's them. God, they're stupid. They should know this is a prank. Come on. Come closer. Bro, what if they stop and, like, you were the one who used to tackle us? Fucking retards. Want to follow them? No. Come on, bro. Like, yeah, let's go. Come on, bro. We gotta have a good video. Alright, guys. There's the fire department after like 30 minutes of walking and sitting there. Okay, well, as we already said, they're going to a fire that isn't really a fire. But yeah, they're going. Bro, what if we pull every fire alarm? They're just like running around. If you listen real close, you could probably hear it. Come on, let's get a better view. Come on, Kevin. Hold on, guys. No. Oh yeah. Good find, dipshit. Okay, there it is. You can probably hear it. That's the building way down there. Now it's not a good enough view. Can't even fucking see it. Come on, Kevin. We'll stop like at the sidewalk. Huh? It's close. I know, come on. We're almost there, bro. Come on. Say hi. Hello. That's right, bro. Best prank yet. Pull a fire alarm. Make the fire department look like a bunch of douches. Oh, shit. Scared the hell out of me. Okay, well, those guys were up in the balcony smoking weed. Scared the hell out of me. I wasn't expecting any noise whatsoever. Froggy. Oh my god, can't believe we did this, Kevin. Well, I did this. You just stood there like, no, bro, don't. Like, we had to, bro. Come on. Yeah, it's the first day of summer vacation. I'm excited. I get a little nervous on vacation. Yeah, I've never done that before. I feel you. Alright, well, there's the house. Can they see it? Can they see it? I don't know if they can. Oh yeah, you guys see it. You can see the building. Well, the fire department's just getting here. Like, they just arrived at the building. Future reference, don't call the fire department. You'll be better off throwing buckets of water on it. Because it took them like at least 15 minutes to get here. Literally, just fill up a few buckets of water and put it out yourself. Because the fire department ain't gonna do shit. They get here so late. By the time they get here, the freaking building will be a pile of dust. They'll come here when there's no fires. They'll be like, oh, well, thanks, guys, for helping us. And then there's some guy riding his bike past it like nothing happened. Freaking salute to you. He's like, oh, shit, what happened here? Come on, Kevin. You're walking so slow. Bro, if you tell me to shut up one more time, I'll beat the shit out of your ugly ass. Kevin. Kevin. Yeah. Look. Alright, guys, we can't be caught with this camera, so we're going to lower it a little. Hey. What did you say? What did you say? You're getting caught for that? Yeah. Alright, so apparently that guy knows that we pressed it. Bro, I never tried it. Okay, by now you could hear it. My friend Kevin thinks he could do pull-ups. Come on. Pull up. Fucking weak. Let's go. Can't even do a pull-up. Why do I even hang out with this kid? Okay, well, there's the fire. so called. Okay, this video isn't great and it's nighttime, so you can't really see it good, but I'm gonna post it anyway. Like or dislike, I don't care. But tomorrow we're doing it extreme. You could actually see we're gonna stay there when we pull it, and then we're gonna do a few McDonald's pranks, prank calls, stuff like that. We're pretty much all about our pranks. So there's a guy over there. I think he's staring at us. No. And see you guys later. I'm out. Bye, Kevin.